How's it going, guys? Trucker Tim here. Got the M3 out of the garage. Now, I'm quite aware that it's quite windy around here, so it'll just be a quick look around and then we'll go for a little POV drive. So she's a Competition pack, Santorini blue. Look at that. Oh, absolutely bloody love it. So yeah, this storm's coming in. It's going to get absolutely filthy, no doubt, but it needs a wash anyway, and that means we can do a separate video on it. I mean, look at that. It's usually immaculate underneath. I can feel the rain already. I'll just show you inside quickly. Got Alcantara steering wheel, the blue stitching, Santorini blue, 1 of 25. So I'll just pop the bonnet, show you the engine, and then we'll get out of here, get out of this wind. Ooh, hello, 4 litre V8, boys. Anyway, let's get this shut back up and go for a little drive. There we go then, she's all started up. Oh no, the rain is coming in. Bloody rain. Whenever I want to do something with the car, does it rain? Get my belt on. Let's go. It's not really up to temperature yet, but we'll go for a little drive. Get her up to temperature, see what's what. Absolutely love this car, guys. You know, I know everybody says this, but they don't make them like this anymore. Honestly, it's such a nice thing to drive. And the noise though. It's had an exhaust mod. I don't know. Got a bike here that bloody bikes. So it's had an exhaust mod. I'm not sure what one it's had, but it's definitely slightly louder than stock. Just crack the window open a bit so you can hear her. Listen to the downshifts are the best. Just give her a little. I can't give her too much. She's not up to temperature yet. I'm pretty sure it's had the GTS mod as well for the gearbox. The gear changes seem super quick. The downshifts. See if we give you a downshift. Listen. No, mate! I absolutely love getting this car out. I don't really drive this much, but when I do drive it, it makes that wait and the not driving it worth it. I mean, if I drove this car every day, it would lose its I don't know, its specialness probably, because I'll be driving it every day. But when I don't use it for 2 or 3 months and I'll take it out, it's like having a new car again. It just keeps the specialness. Oh, pigeons. I love it. Looking forward to doing lots of things on the channel with this car, guys. I've got lots of plans with it. And the garage for it as well. You know, it's not going to quite be a schmuseum. Have you seen this new garage? Oh my God, mate. That's the dream, innit? That is the dream. I'll just wait until this says oil okay. And then that's when I say that it's good enough. I don't know if it is, but that's when I say the oil temperature is at the right temperature. And that's what I've always done, not had any troubles yet. Now, I haven't had the rod bearings done on it. Oh my God. I haven't had the rod bearings done. I mean, she's only just gone 34,000 miles. And I don't use it much. I always look after it, always make sure it's warmed up and everything, you know, before I give it any. There's some lovely roads around where I live, actually. It's gonna rain, isn't it? And we'll have to be really careful. Oh, it's getting wet. Road's getting wet now. Just as the oil temperature's got right. Look, guys. So I'll give it some. Let me You ready? Well, that was... That's just revving to 6,000. This revs... Oh no, petrol lights just come on. That's a regular occurrence. So yeah, we just revved round to 6. 6 then. She goes round to 8. Oh, we're gonna have to get a better day, guys, when we get this car out and give it the proper beans. Oh, good. Car's just pulled out now. It's going down there, good. Pigeon, move! So I've got it in M dynamic mode. So that just allows for the... It allows for a little bit of slip on the wheels. So it lets it be a little bit playful without, you know, without letting you spin out. It's supposed to catch you, but I don't trust it. And also got my M button program to make the suspension stiffer and the gear changes to be as harsh as possible. Now I've got lots to tell you about this car, people. Got lots and lots to tell you, but I'm not going to fit it all into this video. This is what all them 2 AM, 3 AM starts, long days trucking, which I love. You know, that's how I got this. Go down here. It's got to be careful now because the roads are a bit greasy. But listen, listen. Oh, love it! Woohoo! The noise and everything, the steering, everything about it. Oh, it loves the cool air. So if you take this out on a really, really hot day, it feels sluggish. Well, it does to me anyway, personally. But on a day like this, where it's cool and the air's cold, it loves that fresh, cold air going into the engine. It absolutely loves it. Performs so much better in the cool weather. I remember last year I took it out in that 30-degree heat we had, and it just felt, oh, it felt sluggish. Honestly, it felt sluggish. But today, when it's nice and cool, I've got to be careful now, look. People have said I need to enjoy this car more, not keep it in the garage, and I think they're right, to be honest, because this is an amazing, amazing car, and I think, personally, these are going to go up in value. Not soon, but in the next 10 years or so, these are going to rocket in value. It revs to such a high RPM, you run out of road before you reach it. Let's try. Yes! Yes! Love it! Come on! Gotta get this on track. Unreal. Absolutely unbloody real. The noise. The noise. That downshift though, gotta be careful, it's really, really slippery. It's that, you know, when it's just started raining and you get that grease on the top, it's like that, so I've got to be so careful. I can't, it's a shame it's rained really. Listen through here, this downshift. Ooh, yeah. Oh, we've got some cars. It gets your heart racing. Well, it does mine. But for different reasons, you know. For different reasons than the supercar would. Whoa, there she goes. Slipping out. Gotta be so careful. You'll soon have yourself wrapped around a tree in this bad boy, especially when the roads are a little bit greasy like this. We'll overtake this in a minute. Unreal. I've got to be careful. Listen! Go, go, go! Woo-hoo-hoo! Love it! Absolutely bloody love it! Yes! Such a passion for cars, especially this one. I'm gonna get home and I'll speak to you back at the house. So I'm back home just before the heavens open completely. Oh, I really enjoyed that. Don't you worry, this car's going to feature a lot on this channel. I think the next video I'll do on this car, we'll get it out, we'll give it a really good detail. Let's have a quick look around in the rain then, quickly. Look at the beading on the carbon. Oh, look at that. Around here. So there she sits. I'm going to put her back in the garage now. Yeah, so while we're at it, I'm just going to show you around the garage. So I'm going to board these walls, board the roof, get some spotlights in the roof, get it resin floor, you know, the shiny resin floor. Probably turn this into a man cave up here, probably get a simulator up there or something like that. Anyway, let's get her back in the garage. It would help if I had the key, I think, wouldn't it? I think I can put that up here. Back in, out of the rain. Oh, there now some heat coming off her. So I really hope you enjoyed that little ride out in the M3. I'll be back on Friday at 5 PM with another trucking vlog. If you like this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment, or the dislike button if you didn't like it. And please subscribe. It really helps the channel. Anyway, guys, I'll speak to you later. Cheers!